Hey guys, what is going on? It's Dr. Linz here, and today we're gonna go over a marvelous Fabletics review. I should have said a fabulous Fabletics review. There we go. Take two was way better there. Before I get into it, don't forget to give this a like and subscribe so you never miss another amazing review video because these have been so fun to do. Also, go through the other playlists. I got a lot of stuff about gut health, hormones, things like that if you're interested in those things. Two, I'm here to help. I'm gonna give you the deets on this beautiful, I love it, as you can tell, Fabletics outfit, but I'm gonna tell you some things that I'm kind of like about it as well. About 5'3", I weigh about 145. The thing I'm wearing is a size small. First, we're gonna go over the leggings. These are their Power Hold leggings. They're Boost 2 high-waisted strappy leggings, 7/8, okay? So they're kind of like a crop, but they fit me pretty perfectly because I am shorter. So let's go over some things I love about these and some things that I'm like about with these. Okay, so I love the color. This color is fabulous. It's honestly, I told Derek, I'm like, this color is hypnotizing. They're so pretty, and I feel like on camera it doesn't even do it justice. There's a pink, purpley, yellow, bluey, greeny color in here. It's like the rainbow. I love it. I also love the seams in the back of the booty. They do V, which I think accentuates the glutes. And then also another thing I do like the pockets on the inside. There's a pocket in the back, kind of hard to get to. Not too sure about that. It's supposed to fit like your phone. It's about the size of a cell phone you could put in there. And those are the things that I really like about them. Now, I'm not a big fan of the straps in the back here, but that's me because I'm kind of plain Jane. I don't really care to have this extra accentuation, but again, that's me. Now, last thing I'll say, these power holds, a lot of ladies love the power holds from Fabletics because they hold you in nice and tight. And the waistband, it goes high enough right above my belly button, but not too high where it makes me feel like I'm wearing a diaper. So I really enjoy that about these leggings. Overall, I do give these a thumbs up. I love the color. I love how they feel. These are a size small. They are very tight for me to get on. I'm like, oh. But once I get them on, they're good, and they're gonna stretch out as I wear them, as spandex usually do. All right, so I have these linked up in bio. You check those out when you shop directly from that. You are help supporting me, which I truly appreciate. Okay, this beautiful bra is the Kessler Medium Impact Bra, okay, medium impact. So I am a 34D, all right, and this is a size small. My tatas fit in here just nicely. The band, my waist is a little bit smaller, so the band does fit well. This is a thinner bra band, which I have been liking the thicker ones, but this one's fine. You know, it's fully covering me. I'm not popping out anywhere in this bra. So I would work out in this bra if I am not doing a lot of jumping movements and activities like that. If you do have smaller breasts, this may work then for you as just in general for a great sports bra. I don't feel like it's tugging down and I'm sagging here. I feel like it's a nice support, just being honest. One thing I've noticed about this bra and a few other ones I've had from Fabletics, and again, it might just be my chest, is that it kind of puckers out on the right side. Here, it's always the right side, so it's probably part of it is probably me. It's puckering out right here, which is fine. You can't really see it, you know, and then if I kind of mess with the material and try to pull it out, it fixes itself, but it does keep rolling out. So I did just fix it there. Removable pads. I know those are annoying for some. I don't really care. And then the back here, nice and strappy and absolutely beautiful. So I really like the back and the details of the bra. So overall with the bra, I'll wear it. I like wearing it around the house. I'll wear it for times where I'm not doing a lot of jumping high impact workouts for myself or running, things like that. But it will be great for me to work out in doing squats, lunges, even push-ups, things like that. I think will be perfectly fine. I also have this linked up. Again, this is a size small. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'm here for it. If you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see me review, put it below too. I'd love to know. All right, guys, that is my Fabletics monthly review. Let me know your thoughts. Love you guys. Talk to you next time.